God, thank you for the opportunity for all us artists here. Give a clap up for them one time, please. Thank you for all you do. Big ups to the DJ. Big ups to Art Square for serving us all the beautiful food, man. Big ups to all you beautiful people coming out here tonight, spending what little time we got on this earth to experience creativity and expression. So, let's go.
They ain't started work yet, still fresh and hot. Cinemas behind me before we hit the scene. About to peek off some young girls' new dream. Our faces should be up on bar magazines. Identical twin daughters, pretty famous. If you don't know what that one means, I'm asking, do you understand how the structure makes for a beautiful team? Seen a few things and enjoyed it very up, so I just keep singing and counting my blessings. Rejoicing for the fact that I'm nothing more than an empty form, stuck in the physical dressing. Earthbound, so I'm gonna stick around. Family friends ask me, blue wine now. Money bigger, while I gotta ask why else? Oh yeah, she's giving me twin daughters. I got it, you got it, you got it all day. You got it, you got it, failure, no way. You got it, you got it, you got it all day. You got it, you got it. If you believe in yourself, sing with me one more time. You got it, you got it, you got it all day. You got it, you got it. A failure? No way. You got it, you got it, you got it all day. You got it, you got it. Well, if I do, then show me what you finna do. Hey, no problem, no problem, no problem. It's gonna be all good. No problem, no problem, no problem. It's gonna be all good. No problem, no problem, no problem. It's gonna be all good. No problem, no problem, no problem. It's gonna be all good. J-Rock, how you feeling tonight? Cut that English for a second. Just want to thank you again for even just taking the time to hear out artists like us, because opportunities like this don't get brought to us often to even perform in between like a fifth of y'all. Like, the fact that I even got this many people, you know. Thank you. But I just released a project, as we all know, it's Black History Month. But as we all know, we're black all year round, all through our life. So these next 3 songs is off my new mixtape called Buds Make Me Wiser. Now, we've already established that black people are the first people ever walk the earth. So that means everybody related to us.
That's right.
Now, it ain't about turning the other cheek and just forgetting stuff. It's the same type of discipline that a parent has when their child hits someone and you restrain yourself from hitting them. We're all new people on this earth. Our human civilization is still young on this earth. So let's work on love. Let's work on debunking all these dogmatic myths and whatnot that bind us and divide us. DJ, kick that. Turn that up a little bit. It's produced by my boy, Mr. Q. Smooth dude, you know what I'm saying? MLK, R.I.P. LV, R.I.P. Rock with me, y'all. B-I-G-L-U. Okay, I see you. Need to take a break from the two. Read your kids a book or maybe two about who we are and used to be. They know it. How about you? It's all good. We all gotta start somewhere. It's your kid, so you decide when you're there. You are who sets the bar to the 1-3. No rush, but it's a must. Time never stops, and you killing it. So filling it with images, messages, positive, conscience, focus, purpose. It doesn't make you a racist, even though they say it is. That's like the giraffe telling the lion what his diet is. Be prepared for all the names, for taking in that ancestral fame. But that's the game. I won't say no names except mine is the man of resurrection. MLK had a dream once. I wonder if he still believes in us. He talked a lot of talk, at least he walked his march. Killed mysteriously by U.S. government after all. Such a great name that I inherited, and it's the only good thing my bio father ever did. So a soldier of the people, I shall feed a crowd with evil. If you live for nothing, at least die for your people, nigga. That's the cue. Thank you for this beat, y'all. One more for y'all, one more. Red pill or blue pill, your choice, your will. Kill or be killed, angels don't stand still. Lucifer in this tale, Morpheus and you will. Trinity is evil, you are Bill. A rose by any other name, your ignorance gives you a chain. My man will wake you up and shut your brain. Maybe make you insane, at least that's the name they gave to those who break the mold and say that you forsake our names. It looks like it's time for war machine to come to your door. The enemy in blue, they give you bullets, maybe more. Woo! Take that mental, let's keep going, let's keep going.
Let's keep going,
My blood's making me wiser. Based off my favorite drink, Budweiser. Why do you do what you do, what you do, kill tracks like that? Coming all them truth about a root to you, gonna one time show how to crack the yak. It seems like you have got an agenda to start a beef or vendetta against the life that comes from the first social life. Well, I know I thought you right on my mind, sleeping in church and Sabbath class. You know why we pray for guys who looks like guys with our ass. It's time for us to stand in formation and rebuild our beautiful nation. So we get to a miseducation on how things start. Not to work and run our shit, let's hope our leader Jesus. Yes, that means I just would like to beat into the first two of us. Adding many makes me believe one mil God is more than enough. People were not so naive to think they want the TV suck. You need balance, power of the necklace, that's what created us. Homosexuality, Jew, Christianity, it was created black. Cross it up your lick, a religious symbol to show your child's eye. That's inside your life, not a right that you have a free black state of mind. Careful not to do too much of this from life of little. If it comes to you, you will be labeled racist too. I will